Welcome. This video is designed to assist you in using MovieMaker to edit your video artifacts for EdTPA. When editing video, it is best to transfer your raw footage to the computer before editing. Having your video files saved to the computer will give you the fullest computing power and allow for the smoothest editing with the lowest chance of unexpected glitches. Before copying your footage to the desktop, right-click and make a folder for your project on the desktop. Saving everything to one location helps to keep you organized while you're working. Drag your footage from your device into this folder. Once the footage is finished copying over, you're ready to begin the editing process. Here's the icon on the desktop, but if you can't find it, navigate to the magnifying glass on the upper right of the screen and search for MovieMaker. Click on MovieMaker to open the program. Next, we want to save a copy of our MovieMaker project to our designated project folder on the desktop. To do this, navigate to the upper left of the MovieMaker workspace and select File, Save Project As. Navigate to your project folder on the desktop and save your project in this folder. Now it is time to import your footage to your MovieMaker project. Click the area that says "Click here to browse for videos and photos." Navigate to your folder, select the raw footage files that you want to import, and click Open. All of the video footage that you imported will show up on the right side of the screen in the form of video clips. Do not delete or move any of your source files in your project folder. Doing so will result in an error. Now that your footage is imported, you can watch your clips by hitting the play button on the left side of the screen. The buttons to the left and right of the play button will move your clip forward or backward one frame at a time. To navigate through your footage, click on the clip to place the playhead. Then click and drag to scrub through your footage. Once you find the place where you would like your final clip to start, right-click and select Set Start Point. Next, find where you want your final clip to end. Your final clip should be no more than 10 minutes in length. We recommend making it about 9 minutes and 57 seconds to ensure that your clip does not go over the allotted time. Move the playhead to this point, right-click again, and select Set End Point. If you accidentally select the wrong locations, click the Undo button and try your edit again. When you are happy with your clip, it is time to save it. To do this, go to File, Save Movie, and select Save for Feature Phone Small. This will help to ensure your video is 100 megabytes or less. The default file type will be .mp4. This format is acceptable for EdTPA. Name your file something you will remember. For the purpose of this video, we will call it Video Artifact 1. Navigate to your USB flash drive and save your file. If you do not have a USB flash drive, you may also use OSU's box storage. At this point, your video is ready to be submitted. If you think you might want to edit your video later, be sure to save your project by clicking File, Save As, and then naming the file and selecting your folder. Then, drag the folder to your USB drive or box storage. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that it has been helpful in the process of creating your video artifacts for EdTPA.